whenever you open your browser, it will show a lot of tabs on top of the panel. That all the tabs are individual pages which will be opened by you in the previous section. Or suppose you are opening some pages in the current session, that also will be ordered in the tab and will show it in the top. So like that we can easily navigate to any web page by this tab, and all the web pages will provide that one title name and one icon before the title name, which will easily understand by the user what is the web page is linked to this tab. Same way, whenever you save it all this in the bookmark also that same icon and the title will be shown in the bookmark also. So now in this tutorial we are going to learn how to insert this icon and title in our web page. For creating icons, you can select any images from the web page, or you can create your own image in the any image editor. But that image should be very simple and should not be complicated lines and complicated colors. So here I have downloading one image of ladybug. Right click, save images, and you can save that image in any one of the folder in your computers. Then there are lot of online software is available to convert the PNG image or JPG image to the Pevicon. Just I am selecting one pevicon.io. Then here I have to converting the image from PNG to ICO. Then I click the PNG to ICO. Then it will show the page. We have to choose our image. Just click that one, or you can drag that image also, you can put it there. Then I am selecting my ladybug image. Then you will click the download that image. Then you can open that folder. It will show one zip file, pevicon io to zip. You can click that zip file. You can, so there is a lot of icon files are created. In this you can see this first two icons is suitable for Android and Chrome browser, and this third icon is suitable for Apple Mac system, and all other is a pevicon is a generalized icons. We can use it for any browsers. Here I am going to select this pevicon 32.png. Just you will copy it and put it in your folder where you want to make it in that, and then paste it. Next step is you have to add the code in your HTML page. That is code always you have to add it in the head section only. That is in between head open tag and head close tag. First I am adding the title of my web page. It is a bug world, and again I am adding the icon for my web page. Here link relation is icon, and the sizes will be 32 by 32, and that file name and that file path will be pevicon 32 by 32. Here my test HTML file and this pevicon image is in the same folder, so I have not provided any path for that. Then type image and PNG. Now you have added your pevicon link to your web page. Just run that page. You can see your title is showing bug world, and that image also shown in the browser tab. Same way you can create any logo, and in the body section you have to buy the image tag. I have ordered one logo image. Then save it. Then run your browser. Then here see my website tab is showing that symbol, and the name is bug world, and my logo with my header is ordered by through that image. Now we will see in detail for each element and what is the options are available for each attributes. In the digital world, there are two types of files are available. One is a document file and another is a media files. The document can be classified as a Word document, style sheet, and comma separated value or portable documents. Same way in image also we have a different types of format, that is a JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, TIFF, like that. Lot of file formats are available for the image file also. Same way in the audio file also we have different format, MP4, MP3, M4F, WMA, like that. Same way in the video file also we have different format, MP4, MKV, FLV, VOB, like that. So to handle all this type of documents, W3 Consortium has made some registration formalities. With that, all the format and documents has to be registered with the W3 Consortium. They will verify with their application and test it. Then they will register it in their registration system. After that, we can use it that format in our HTML web page. Here, to link all the type of documents, HTML has a link element. It has some attributes. With that attributes, it will understand what type of this document and what is the format of the document. Then it will accordingly it will communicate the instruction to browser to show it that file. You can see in the link document, first attribute is the type. In the type attribute, you can see it having a two part of value. First part is whether it is a text file, or it is a image file, or it is a audio file, or it is a video file, like that. First part will show it the which type of files we are going to handle it. And second value will be the format of each category. From the text file, whether it is a CSV file, or it is a CSS file, or it is a TXT file, or it in the image means it is whether it is a JPG or PNG, like that. It will show the which format from that category. Like that, in type format we have different values. There is a text bar CSS, image bar PNG, audio for MP3, and video for MP4. And for our this tutorial we are going to use it only this image bar PNG. And the relation is after selecting this category and file format, that particular file which will communicate to the system, that is the relation. Here, if it is a text bar CSS means it will communicate, it is as a style sheet. If it is an image and PNG, here we are going to use it as a icon, so the relation will be icon. Link. This tag defines a link between a document and an external resource like icon, style sheet, audio, video, message, and so on. Already we seen in the last picture. And all attributes specified is mandatory and required. Relations. Relations specifies the relationship between the current document and the linked document. And here for this topic, it may be icon and Apple Touch icon. For older versions of Internet Explorer, we have to use a shortcut icon instead of icon. But anyway, however, now that all the browser will support only this icon value for the relation. Sizes. Sizes specifies the size of the linked resource. This attribute is used only for the relation is icon or Apple Touch icon. That values will be height into width will be specified either one or more sizes in pixels. If you specify only one value, then 16 by 16, and it have an option you can specify two values also, 16 by 16, 32 by 32. The X in between these two value may be lowercase or uppercase. If we specify any for scalable icon prepared by the SVG image, so it is a dynamic sizes, it will change according to our requirement. Next, type. Already we seen in the last images, it specifies the media type of the linked document. Here it will be image with a different extension of ICU, PNG, and GIF, and it will be specified like image icon or image PNG or image GIF. This type has more than 1200 types in various categories like application, audio, font, image, message, model, multipart, text, and video. Href means hypertext reference. These attributes are used to in anchor and link tag element. It specifies the location of URL of the linked document, whether in local folder or in web address. The URL path is very important, either mentioned in absolute path or relative path. To know about the absolute path and relative path, please see my video of part 1 image tag insert. In that I have explained in detailed way about the absolute path and relative path. Points to be considered to create a favicon. Icon is called as a favicon. Favicon means it is a favorite icon. We can create favicon image from any image by using some graphics editors or with online icon generate software. Most of the browser has support .icu and .png format, and some browsers support .gif and .jpg file format. To maintain the correct shape, we have to always maintain this image icon in the square shape only, because it is going to represent in the small area. The size should be 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels for window browser, and it will be 60 by 60 pixels and 120 by 120 pixels for Apple application. This icon generation can vary based on the operating system like Android, Apple, Windows, and you have to use a proper icon for showing the image for the proper browser. Since the size of the image is very small, our main image should be simple design. It should have less line, less detail, and less colors. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel to grow and share more technical videos. Thank you once again, and bye.